Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So up to now we have studied about the preparations of phenols beta, classification and nomenclature, that also we have finished. In the preparations mainly we have studied the main topics: cumene process, dose process, from BDS, benzene diazonium salts, and from benzene sulfonic acids and Rashid's method. Like there's so many important preparations of phenols we have discussed. Okay beta. Now in this class I am going to discuss with the topic is nothing but what Nana, physical properties of phenols. इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बेटा. ओके, so in that physical properties of phenols I am going to discuss the first physical property. We are going to discuss about the physical states. What is the physical state of phenol? Okay, in pure form phenol will be available in the form, this is nothing but it is a colorless crystalline solid, colorless compound, and it is nothing but exist in the which form? Solid form. And which type of crystal? Okay, which type of solid beta? Crystalline solid. And one more thing, try to remember, phenol contain one important character. The character is nothing but deliquescent character. Which character I am saying? Deliquescent character. Sir, what is mean by deliquescent character? Means initially in pure form it is in colorless crystalline nature, solid nature, but upon exposure to environment, solid nature slowly changes into the liquid nature, means Macher's absorption condition. That is known as what, Nana? Deliquescent condition. Okay, right. And initially phenol in pure form it is in colorless form, Nana. But when phenol on exposure to air in presence of sunlight, it turns into the color is nothing but pink color. So be careful guys, objective में आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं नाना. So phenol is nothing but a colorless crystalline solid and it is a deliquescent solid, but it on exposure to air and sunlight, colorless becomes which color, Nana? Pink color. Means automatically उसका ढक्कन ओपन करके रखे समझो, it goes to be exposed to the environment, reacts with atmospheric air and sunlight and changes into the which color beta? Pink color. Good. So this is the information about the physical state. And next go for another physical property. You suppose this is nothing but order. Okay, order को अपन expect कर सकते हैं, we can expect easily beta. About which compound? Phenol. I told you in starting class, what is the another name of phenol? Carbolic acid. What is mean by carbo? Because of this is the main source of phenol. This okay na, obtaining source, Nana. So what is the main source of phenol? The main source of phenol is nothing but carbo. Carbo is nothing but coal. So same order we can see for what, Nana? Phenols. So phenols having the order, we have to be say that this is nothing but carbolic adder. Because of phenol obtained from the source is nothing but coal, and the respective coal tar products we are getting what, Nana? Phenol. Okay, so the order of phenol is nothing but carbolic order, nothing but simply we can say coal order. Next, one more point I want to show you here. Phenols, they are having one action. So this is nothing but they are going to exhibit a strong corrosive action. A strong corrosive action on skin. That means when it goes to be falls on skin, automatically skin का ऊपर, so skin goes to be lost its glowing nature. Skin का glowing nature disappear हो सकता. The meaning is nothing but corrosive action on skin that will be shown by what, Nana? Phenols. So we have to be okay ना, is away from this phenol, Nana. इससे थोड़ा सा distance maintain करना पड़ता. Handle with careful, Nana. Okay, right. So another physical property I am going to show you. The physical property information is nothing but about solubility. Yes, here we are going to discuss about this physical pattern, solubility. Right. So phenols in that benzene ring is there. Benzene ring is nothing but non-polar compound. Due to that nature, we have to be say that phenols are readily soluble in organic solvents, like petroleum ether, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, chloroform, like that we can consider. Because of all organic solvents are mostly non-polar. Phenol mein benzene is there, that is also non-polar. So we have to be say that phenols are readily soluble in what beta? Organic solvents. But phenols, it can soluble in water also, but that is little bit solubility we can see. That means due to presence of only OH, polar nature group, nana. Okay, right, listen carefully once again. So phenols are readily soluble in organic solvents, but already I told you phenols, they are slightly, or we can say sparingly, phenols are sparingly soluble in what beta? Water. Why phenols are sparingly soluble in water? Because of in phenol OH group is there that contain the nature polar nature, and also I want to say that due to such polar nature, when phenols are soluble in water, they are going to form the bond. The bond is nothing but intermolecular hydrogen bond. So due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond between phenol and water, here we can see little bit solubility in water molecule, but mostly they are soluble in what beta? Organic solvents. Sir, how phenols are forming intermolecular hydrogen bond with water? This is the question mark. Okay, phenol formula क्या बता सकते हैं? H bonded to O, O bonded to benzene. Okay, beta, right. Next, again here I am going to consider another molecule, H bonded to O, O bonded to H. Again, if you want, you can consider another phenol, H bonded to O and O bonded to benzene, like that. Okay, na? Right na? Okay. Oxygen contains the charge partial negative due to its more electronegativity. Hydrogen carries a charge partial positivity. Again here hydrogen partial positive, oxygen partial negative, hydrogen partial positive, oxygen partial negative. Like that we have to be denoted. Due to their partial polar nature, they are sparingly soluble in water. Right. So here hydrogen contains partial positive nature, oxygen contains partial negative nature. Between positive and negative, definitely we can see the electrostatic forces of attraction. Which type of bond beta is between two compounds? So we have to be say that intermolecular, दो molecule के बीच में. So the symbol is nothing but dotted line. What is mean by dotted line? Dot indicates the bond is nothing but which bond? Hydrogen bond. So like that, phenols, they can sparingly soluble in what nano? Water molecule due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding between water and phenol. Good. So this point is also clear, Nana. Next point I want to show you here is I want to discuss with litmus test. In alcohols topic, I told you alcohols are neutral to litmus test. They does not exhibit blue to red and red to blue. I say change नहीं हो सकती because of alcohols are what beta? Alcohols are neutral in nature. But here I told you phenols are acidic in nature. So they can exhibit what, Nana? Litmus test. So here I am going to show you. First of all, which compound here I have taken? Phenol. What is the nature of phenol? Phenols are acidic in nature. Due to their acidic nature, you know very well, generally acids, they will convert the blue litmus paper to what beta? Red. So blue litmus paper that can be changes into the red upon reaction with what, Nana? Phenol. It indicates that phenols, they are having the nature is nothing but what, Nana? Acidic nature. I hope you understand. Right. Let us go for another physical property, that is nothing but boiling points information. Information about the boiling points. Okay. Here I am going to consider first of all a list of organic compounds. So in that first compound I am going to be consider, this is nothing but phenol. And next I am going to be consider arenes. What is mean by arenes, beta? Arenes are nothing but aromatic hydrocarbons. Simply you can consider like benzene rings. Next go for we can consider, here I want to give you another compound. This is nothing but haloarenes. Which compounds I have taken here? Haloarenes. And also we can consider here another compound. This is nothing but ether. Now listen guys. And the condition is phenols, arenes, haloarenes and ether. Here I have considered here 4 compounds, and you suppose that all these 4 compounds, they are in comparable molecular masses. And you suppose all these 4 compounds, they are having comparable molecular masses, means approximately nearby molecular masses they are having. Okay, their approximate molecular masses are approximately near. That means molecular weight is directly proportional to what? Boiling point. अगर उनका molecular mass comparable में same है समझो, that means they should contain same boiling points ना बेटा, but they are having different boiling points. Due to reason is why. The reason is, in case of phenol, OH group is there, and due to such polar nature, it has the capable of formation of, again same thing, intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. But arenes and haloarenes and ethers, they do not have the such capable of formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond. So even though their molecular masses are comparatively same, but their boiling points are different, because of only phenol can form the hydrogen bond, and remaining species, okay na, yes, what are the remaining species? Arenes and haloarenes and ether. So they do not form the what nana? Intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Do not form hydrogen bond. So due to absence of such interactive force, automatically these 3 compounds, they are having little bit, okay, low molecular masses as compared to what nana? Phenols. So they will ask you, so phenols, arenes and haloarenes and ethers, even their molecular masses are comparatively same, why they are showing variation in boiling point? So your answer is nothing but phenols, they can form the intermolecular hydrogen bonds, okay, in between them. Let us, how they are forming intermolecular hydrogen bond, I will show you nana. Okay, phenol, what is the formula of phenol? H bonded to O, O bonded to benzene. Okay beta, again same thing, H bonded to O, O bonded to benzene. Again we can consider another, H bonded to O and O bonded to benzene. Phenol, phenol, phenol. Here 3 moles I have considered. Number of infinity you can consider beta. Hydrogen contains a partial positive and oxygen carries a partial negative. Hydrogen contains a partial positive and oxygen contains partial negative due to its more electronegativity of oxygen. Right. Hydrogen contains partial positive, oxygen contains partial negative. Again same thing, between more electronegative oxygen and between hydrogen, there will be presence of electrostatic force. This is nothing but hydrogen bond, shown by the symbol is nothing but dotted lines. Okay now beta, I hope you understand. So finally I want to give you, due to presence of such intermolecular hydrogen bonds between 2 molecule hydrogen bond, so I am saying this is nothing but intermolecular hydrogen bond. To break that hydrogen bond, you may require more temperature. That means they are having what nana? More boiling points. So phenols, they are having more boiling points as compared to arenes, haloarenes and ethers of comparable molecular masses. Due to reason is presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay na beta, right. So due to presence of, they are having more boiling point now. So how much boiling point they are having? Phenols, they contain the boiling point, this is nothing but 455 Kelvin. And phenols, okay na, when they are in pure form, they are in solid form na beta. So in that case, we have to be say that they are having the melting point. The melting point is nothing but 315 Kelvin. Because of boiling point, in case of liquid only, there will be the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond. So boiling point of phenol 455 Kelvin and melting point of phenol 315 Kelvin. So this is the information about what beta? Physical properties of phenols. Number 1 physical state, number 2 order, number 3 solubility, number 4 litmus test, number 5 boiling points, and here I have given the melting point value also. Now let us go for chemical properties of phenols beta. Okay, we are going to discuss here which properties better. Chemical properties. Chemical properties of phenols. Right. In that chemical properties, today I am going to finish one very important topic, that is nothing but acidic nature of phenols. Which nature? Acidic nature. Topic 1, very important topic. This is nothing but acidic nature of phenols. Same topic we have studied in case of alcohols. How the alcohols, they are exhibiting slightly acidic nature. Why alcohols are weaker in nature? I will show you. Acidic nature of phenols. So same topic we have studied in case of alcohols, Navada. So but alcohols, they are having less acidic nature as compared to the phenols. So the topic is nothing but acidic nature of phenols. Very, very important. Okay. In case of alcohols, we have studied alcohols are acidic in nature because of they can react with active metals like sodium and potassium, and they forms the respective alkoxide. And I told you they are going to liberate the gas is nothing but H2 gas. Yes sir, no better. So here also same thing. Phenols, they can show reaction with active metals like sodium, potassium, whatever that may be. Again here, liberation of hydrogen gas will be takes place. Along with that, phenols, they are going to exhibit another reaction, that is reaction with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, but alcohols, they does not show reaction with sodium hydroxide. So in that way, alcohols can show reaction only with sodium, but phenols, they can show reaction with sodium and sodium hydroxides also. Means metals and metal bases. For both, we can see the reaction of what kind of phenols. On the basis of that, we have to be say that phenols, they are having little bit more acidic nature as compared to the alcohols. Okay, acidic nature of phenols. In that, I want to show you first point. How can you say whether they are in acidic nature or not? तुम कैसे बता सकते? The proof is on reaction with two conditions. Phenols on reaction with sodium metal and also potassium, any active metal you can consider. Active metal I am writing here. And also we can say phenols on reaction with alkalis, like for suppose potassium hydroxide, and also we can take sodium hydroxide, NaOH. And they should be in aqueous condition. Means phenols on reaction with active metals like sodium and potassium. Phenols on reaction with aqueous alkalis like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Here we are getting a main product. This is nothing but sodium phenoxide. सोडियम मेटल लिए तो सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड, पोटेशियम मेटल लिए तो पोटेशियम फिनॉक्साइड, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, पोटेशियम फिनॉक्साइड. But this is the stable phenoxide form. Okay, na? Right. In case of metals, liberation of hydrogen will be takes place. In case of alkalis, liberation of water will be takes place. I will show you how. But remember, phenols on reaction with active metals and also on reaction with aqueous alkalis gives sodium phenoxide. This is the main reaction to say that phenols are acidic in nature. Sir, why are you saying like that? Because of, I am going to show you in reaction. What is the formula of phenol? The formula of phenol is nothing but benzene bonded to OH. Okay, beta. Phenol undergo reaction with active metal, and you suppose the active metal is nothing but sodium. Due to its more reactivity, it going to easily replace the H. Here OH cleavage goes to be takes place due to polar nature, due to more electronegative oxygen. Easily we can remove the proton. So it is phenol is here on reaction with active metal. It ready to lose the H plus. So proton donors are called Lewis acids. Sorry, Bronsted acids. Yes or no, beta? Right. So what is the compound name? Phenol. On reaction with active metal is sodium. Position of H replaced by water. Sodium है ना? So what we can write now? So the compound name is nothing but benzene. Benzene bonded to O. position of H taken by what? More reactive metal, that is nothing but sodium. Benzene bonded to O Na, you know this name. So Na means what? Sodium. Benzene connected to O minus, this is nothing but what, Nana? Sodium phenoxide. Right. So H replaced by sodium, but there is a free hydrogen. So that free hydrogen, it goes to be liberated in the form of H2 gas. That means we have to be right, half moles of H2. 2 goes to cancel, only free hydrogen atom. Balancing was over. So H2 gas goes to be liberated out, Nana. Right. Another reaction here, reaction with what? Aqueous alkalis. So same thing. Here also I am going to be consider phenol ring. And you suppose reaction with what I told you, aqueous alkalis. You suppose aqueous NaOH, nothing but aqueous sodium hydroxide. Again same meta, OH cleavage goes to be takes place, position of H replaced by Na. That means here we are getting the product is nothing but sodium phenoxide. From phenol what you are removing here, H plus, that combines with OH and goes to be eliminated or evaporated in the form of which molecule? Water molecule. So what is the reactant? Benzene bonded to OH. This is nothing but phenol. On reaction with metals and on reaction with aqueous alkalis, here they are going to form the product. The product is nothing but what, Nana? Sodium phenoxide. So in both reactions, what is the common thing? The common thing is OH bond undergo cleavage and phenol is donating its H plus. Due to the donation of H plus nature, we have to be say that phenols are acidic in nature. Phenols are acidic in nature. समझ गए ना बेटा? Very good. Next. So next point, another reason also we can say, sir, what is the another reason? The reason is resonance concept. Which concept? Resonance. Let us say, okay, on the basis of resonance, how can you explain the acidic nature of phenols? Okay, first of all, I am going to show you. Listen, guys. मैं आपको पहले structure बताता हूँ. Same thing. First of all, here I am going to be consider the phenol ring, benzene connected to OH, and you suppose after the cleavage of OH bond, here I am going to get the benzene ring as it is. And after the loss of H plus, here phenol will be exist in the form of O minus, phenoxide ion. After the loss of what I told you, H plus. So proton losing capacity, donating capacity, this is nothing but what? Acidic nature. And listen guys, what is the name of this compound? Phenol. And what is the name of this compound? Again phenol. This is not phenol, so this is nothing but what, Nana? Try to be remember, this is called phenoxide ion. Which ion? Phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is highly stable and also we have to be say that more stable. Phenoxide ion is more stable. Why phenoxide ion is more stable? Due to the reason is nothing but resonance. Due to the reason is nothing but what, Nana? Resonance. For this phenoxide ion, here mainly we can write 4 resonance structures. 4 resonance structures. And you know very well, as the number of resonating structures goes to be increases, their stability will be increased. So due to formation of such stable phenoxide ion, nothing but phenol easily changes into the more stable phenoxide ion after the loss of H plus. Phenol easily changes into the more stable phenoxide ion due to resonance and it is ready to lose the proton. Means it will contain, okay, now what beta? Acidic in nature. It contains more acidic nature as compared to the alcohol. Samjhe ki nahi beta? Right. So now I want to show you, sir, how does phenoxide ion shows resonance? So let us discuss about the resonance structures of phenoxide ion. Resonance structures of which ion beta? Phenoxide ions. Okay, already I told you, as compared to phenol, it easily changes into its stable form, phenoxide form after the loss of proton. Due to release of that proton only, we are saying this is also responsible for acidic nature. Okay, so phenoxide ion, it shows how many resonating structures I told you? 4. Let us draw the overall, okay, now overall view structures I am going to show you. Benzene ring 1, and here I am going to show you second structure, and here I am going to show you third structure. Just first of all consider 4 cyclohexane rings. Good. So what is the symbol of resonance? Two-headed arrow. Again symbol of resonance, two-headed arrow. Again symbol of resonance is two-headed arrow. And you suppose this is nothing but resonance 1, and you suppose this is nothing but resonance 2, and you suppose this is nothing but resonance 3, and you consider this one is nothing but resonance number 4. Let us, I am going to show you the delocalization. That is the meaning of resonance beta. Okay. What is the formula of phenoxide ion? Inside 3 pi bonds, O contain minus. 3 pi bonds, and here O contain minus. Okay, na? Minus is nothing but it is also equals to 1. Okay, na? What na? Yes, bond. Na? Yes, we have to be considered like that. So this negative charge we are going to be delocalized here between carbon to oxygen. At the same time, here more electron density will be occur. So to satisfy that, this pi bond from first place we are shifting to completely second carbon. Second carbon को shift कर देना बेटा. After delocalization, we are going to get the second carbon. Left pi bond, okay na, and below pi bond, this two we have to be write as it is. And above, after delocalization of that negative charge between carbon to oxygen, single bond becomes double bond. Okay na beta. And the bond between 1 to 2, it was completely shifted to second carbon. So second carbon contains the charge negative. Okay now. Right, again such negative charge which is upon the second, that will be delocalized between 2 to 3 positions. At the same time, the pi bond between 3 to 4 completely shifted to 4th carbon. Left pi bond as it is between 5 to 6. Above C double bond O group as it is. I am going right here. And the negative charge shifted between 2 to 3. Yes, I am going to write like this. 3 to 4 bond shifted to completely 4. So 4 contain negative charge. Okay, na? Good. Now, the negative charge which is upon the 4th carbon shifted between 4 to 5. At the same time, this pi bond is shifted to which carbon beta? 5th carbon. Okay. So 5 to 6 completely given to which carbon? 6th carbon. And above C double bond O group, this I am going to write as it is. Right side pi bond, A pi bond भी as it is लिखो बेटा. And this bond was shifted between 4 to 5 carbons. इसको यहाँ पर मैंने बता दिया. Okay ना. In that way, due to formation of 4 resonating structures, phenoxide ion is highly stable. Means phenol, it was very eager to convert into the phenoxide ion to lose which ion? H plus ion. That means phenols are acidic in nature. So reason number 1, phenols on reaction with active metals and alkalis forms sodium phenoxide. It shows that phenols are acidic in nature. Reason number 2, phenols upon dissociation, it easily changes into the phenoxide ion. It is more stable due to the concept is nothing but what beta? Resonance. Depends on these two concepts. You have to give the answer, explain about the acidic nature of phenols. This is the important question for theory 3-mark question. Okay, right. Yes, in this acidic nature concept, I want to give you some other topics. What are the topics? Main topics. Main application क्या हो सकते हैं? Application number 1. Yeah, just now I already told you. So on the basis of the factor and second factor, yes, this is the factor number 1 and this is nothing but second factor. Based on these two factors, we are saying phenols are acidic in nature. Yes or no? That means phenols, due to their acidic nature, they will convert the what beta? Blue litmus paper to red litmus. This one we have studied just now. Next point, one more thing I want to discuss with you. Phenol contains benzene bonded to OH. Upon that phenol, here I am going to apply two conditions. Number 1 is in presence of electron donating groups. Number 2 is in presence of electron withdrawing groups. So what is the effect of electron donating and electron withdrawing groups on the acidic nature of phenol? That one is main point. So try to remember electron donating groups. Okay, yes, and one more is nothing but what I am saying, electron withdrawing groups. Electron donating groups, EDZ. Next, electron withdrawing groups, EWZ. Try to remember the short points. Okay, electron donating groups, try to remember beta, very important. This is called decreases the acidity of phenols. Decreases the acidity or acidic nature of phenols. And electron withdrawing groups, they are goes to be increases the acidity of phenols. So electron donating decreases, electron withdrawing increases. Phenol's acidic strength goes to be increases in case of withdrawing group, increases in case of withdrawing group. Phenol acidic nature goes to be decreases in case of donating group. Just to try to opposite sign देखो, donating group decreases, withdrawing group increases. Just quite opposite similarity देखो. Okay, right now. So मैं और एक बार यहाँ पर बताता हूँ सर, in presence of electron withdrawing group, why acidic nature of phenol goes to be increases. Yes, here I am going to show you which compound, benzene. Benzene connected to OH. Here I am saying which group, electron withdrawing group. For suppose here I am going to write NO2. NO2. This is nothing but electron withdrawing group. Due to presence of strong electron withdrawing group, the nature of this group is electron withdrawing. Due to its electron withdrawing nature, see the hand movement. Electron withdrawing means oxygen contain 2 lone pair and benzene also contains so many electrons. All the electrons, they are going to be migrate, they are going to be delocalized towards the nitro group. Means this bond becomes weak. So in presence of electron withdrawing groups, OH bond that becomes weak means phenol is ready to lose the proton. Ready to lose the proton. So in presence of electron withdrawing groups, acidic nature goes to be increases. In presence of electron withdrawing groups, सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन को withdraw करने के बाद the OH bond that becomes so much weak that goes to be easily dissociate and it easily denotes what Nana gives what beta H plus ion. So in presence of electron withdrawing groups, we have to be say that acidic nature goes to be increases and in case of electron donating groups, acidic nature goes to be decreases. Quite again और एक बार comparison करूँ, donating group acidic nature increases. Withdrawing group, acidic nature decreases. Once again, okay, which group? Withdrawing group, acidic nature increases. Next, Nana. Here what is a group? Electron donating group, acidic nature goes to be decreases. Like that, it have to be same, Nana. In presence of electron withdrawing group, OH become weak, but in place of electron donating group, OH becomes strong. इतना proton easily बाहर नहीं आ सकता. Okay, ना? Right, beta? Yes, these are the very important concepts for the topic is nothing but acidic nature of phenols. Acidic nature of phenols. Okay, very good, Nana. Now, on the basis of acidic nature of phenol, this is the question important for 3 marks. But on the basis of this topic, again, I want to discuss with you 3 main points, Nana. Okay, right. So let us see what are the main points regarding acidic nature of phenols or in the concept of what, Nana, acidic nature. So acidic nature में और 2-3 important point क्या हो सकते हैं? Yeah, listen carefully, beta. When we compare about the acidic nature, so which compounds having more acidic nature, either phenols or alcohols? Phenols, they are having more acidic nature as compared to the alcohol. As compared to the alcohol, beta. Okay, because of phenols, they shows reaction only with sodium. But phenol, it can shows reaction with sodium and also it can react with sodium hydroxide. Once again, phenol and alcohol, of course both are acidic in nature, but alcohols less acidic in nature and phenols more acidic in nature. Reasons क्या बताते shortly. Phenols, they shows reaction only, phenols, they shows reaction with active metals and alkalis. But alcohols, they shows the reaction only with active metal. And one more thing, alcohols after the loss of proton, they are going to form the alkoxide ion. बट फिनोल के बारे में मैंने बता दिया. Phenols after the loss of proton minus H plus. Here also same thing, alcohols minus H plus. Alcohols after the loss of proton, they are going to form the alkoxide ion. What is the formula of alkoxide ion? RO minus. Phenols after the loss of proton, here they are going to form the product. The product is nothing but what I told you, phenoxide ion. You know the story very well. But yes, ये भी आपको मालूम, phenoxide ion is nothing but what ना, more stable. And alkoxide ion is more stable or less stable? Alkoxide ion is nothing but what na, less stable. Why phenoxide ion is more stable? Is due to the concept already I told you. See the right side. So the focus is nothing but what na, resonance. So due to formation of stable resonating structures, phenoxide ion is more stable, means phenol easily changes into the phenoxide ion after the loss of proton upon reaction with Na and also upon reaction with sodium hydroxide. But alcohols only shows reaction with sodium and they lose the proton, not strongly, just they will lose the proton and they will form the alkoxide ion. This is not in stable form because of here in R group no pi bond mean no delocalization, no conjugation. That means here we have to be say that no resonance. So due to absence of resonance, due to absence of delocalization and conjugation, alkoxide ion is less stable and phenoxide ion is more stable due to the concept of what? Resonance. So phenol can be easily changes into the phenoxide ion, but alcohol changes into the alkoxide ion, but it is less stable form. So on the basis of stability concept, on the basis of resonance concept, on the basis of reaction with active metals and alkalis, on the basis of all factors, definitely we can give the conclusion phenols are more acidic than what? Beta alcohols. Okay na, good. Next important point is I want to show the information about the, yes, here I am going to consider first of all benzene ring, and you suppose here the group is nothing but OH group. What is the compound name? Phenol. Phenol, and you suppose, listen carefully, it connected to the group is nothing but electron donating group. Electron donating group. Nothing but electron donating groups, they are going to donate the electrons. See the arrow mark. Electron donating groups, they are donating electrons to the arene ring, to the benzene ring. Okay now. So in that case what goes to be happened? Listen carefully. So here I am going to be write that phenol goes to be changes into the, again you suppose same thing, phenoxide ion, but here benzene ring connected to what is the group? Okay, what is the group Nana? Electron donating group. Again we are going to lose which one Nana? Proton, that is nothing but H plus. So let us consider, say some examples of electron donating groups. Electron donating groups examples are nothing but, that is nothing but alkyl group, methyl we can consider, and also we can consider what is the group? Methoxy bhi le sakte, and also we can consider what is the group? Ethyl group. Okay all of you. So these are the few examples of, here I have given to you electron donating groups. In presence of methyl, methoxy, ethyl, ethoxy, and also amino group like that Nana. So in case of electron donating groups, when these electron donating groups are present on phenol ring, automatically phenol ring becomes more rich with electrons because of here the group is electron donating. Automatically OH bond that becomes more stronger. And listen carefully here, due to presence of electron donating group, electron donating means oxygen के ऊपर negative charge becomes more intense. So ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव का कंटेंट ज़्यादा हो जाता है. The charge of negative charge, okay, the content of negative charge upon the oxygen of phenoxide ion that goes to be increases in case of what Nana? Electron donating groups. Electron donating groups. So here listen carefully, in presence of electron donating groups, what are the changes we are going to see in? Number one is electron donating groups. Electron donating groups which are present upon the phenol intensifies negative charge. in presence of electron donating groups, okay now, the negative charge upon the O minus, that will becomes more intense, means this bond will be more strong now. And also next point I want to say that in case of electron donating group, generally listen carefully, electron donating groups, they are okay now directly proportional for positive charge. Electron donating groups directly proportional to stability of carbocation and also directly proportional to positive charge. This is the stable form. But see guys here, electron donating group okay, but what is the charge? Negative charge. Donating positive direct, but donating one negative indirect. Indirect mean phenoxide ion stabilizes or destabilizes. Phenoxide ion goes to be destabilizes the phenoxide ion. Due to destabilization, automatically its acidic nature goes to be what happened now? Acidic nature goes to be decrease. Okay, once again, in presence of electron donating groups upon phenol, definitely phenol changes into phenoxide ion, but due to presence of electron donating groups, negative charge becomes more intense. Due to increase of negative charge, this phenoxide ion will be destabilized. Destabilized means it is not ready to donate the proton. That means acidic nature goes to be decrease. Here also I told you same thing. In presence of electron donating groups, acidic nature goes to be decrease. In presence of electron donating groups, acidic nature goes to be decrease. So reason destabilizes the phenoxide ion. Reason 2 intensifies the negative charge. Okay now, right? Here I am going to show you another form. Same thing, here I am going to consider the structure is nothing but phenol, benzene bonded to OH. What is the compound name I am saying? Phenol. And you suppose it is connected to here, the group is nothing but, see the arrow mark downside, nothing but we have to be say that EWC. एक बार दो भी arrow mark देखो, towards the ring, donating, and away from the ring, withdrawing group, EWG. Yes, in presence of electron withdrawing group, again same thing, phenol can be changed into the phenoxide ion, O minus, and here the group is nothing but electron withdrawing group. Same thing, listen carefully. Electron donating group, it causes three effects. Here also same thing. Electron withdrawing group, it causes three effects. Number one is disperses the negative charge. Disperses the negative charge means the negative charge which is present upon the oxygen, that goes to be little bit compressed after dispersion in presence of electron withdrawing group. Next go for we have to be say that electron donating groups intensifies the negative charge, electron withdrawing group disperses the negative charge. Electron donating group destabilizes phenoxide ion, but this is nothing but electron withdrawing group, we have to be say that stabilizes the phenoxide ion. Next, due to destabilization, here acidic nature decreases, but due to stabilization, here we have to be say that acidic nature goes to be increased. Once again I am going to say you, right, what are the electron donating groups? Example, methyl, methoxy, ethyl, ethoxy, like that. What are the examples of electron withdrawing groups? Electron withdrawing groups NO2, and also we can say aldehydes, and also we can say ketones, and also we can say carboxylic acids, and also we can say esters, and also we can say cyanides. This all are nothing but nitro, aldehydes, carboxylic acids, esters, cyanides, aldehydes, ketones, all carbonyl compounds. Okay, so these all are nothing but what are electron withdrawing groups. Right. In presence of electron donating groups, negative charge becomes more intensifies. So listen, in case of electron donating groups intensifies the negative charge, electron withdrawing groups disperses the negative charge, destabilizes the phenoxide ion, that's why acidic nature decreases, stabilizes the phenoxide ion, that's why acidic nature goes to be increases. So मैंने इसलिए ये पॉइंट यहाँ पर बोला था, एक बार देखो, electron donating groups acidic nature decreases, electron donating groups acidic nature decreases because of phenoxide ion destabilized. Electron withdrawing groups, acidic nature increases. Electron withdrawing groups, acidic nature increases because of phenoxide ion is stabilized. Okay na beta? Yes, A point and A point though be important, and try to remember few examples of electron withdrawing groups and try to remember few examples of electron donating groups. A तुम्हारा applications for theory cum objective point of view, both they are important. So they can ask you why phenols are more acidic than alcohols, otherwise why alcohols are less acidic than phenols. So reason is phenol shows reaction with sodium and sodium hydroxide, but alcohol shows reaction only with what? Sodium. And also you can say another reason, phenol forms stable phenoxide due to resonance. But alkoxide ion, okay now, changes into the unstable alkoxide ion due to absence of what? Resonance, due to absence of the localization. Okay, overall for NEET point of view, I am going to give you some important points. NEET point of view. In that first point, order of acidic nature. Order of acidic nature. Order of acidic nature of what? Overall for all compounds, majority. So among all, most acidic compound is nothing but carboxylic acids. After that, carbonic acid. What is the formula of carboxylic acid? RCOH, carboxylic acids. What is the formula of carbonic acid? H2CO3. Next one is we have to give the importance to phenol. What is the formula of phenol? Benzene bonded to OH, and also we can say that C6H5 bonded to OH. Next importance, we can give the importance to the, that is nothing but water molecule. The formula is nothing but H2O. Next one is nothing but, you know very well, we have to give the importance to the topic. This is nothing but alcohol. The formula is nothing but ROH. And finally, least acidic compound, this is nothing but what? CH triple bond CH. Triple bond CH. So the compound name is nothing but what, beta? Acetylene. Which compound? Acetylene. Once again, phenols are more acidic than water and alcohols, and phenols are less acidic than carboxylic acids and carbonic acid. Try to remember, important. So सबसे more acidic nature, among all more acidic nature is carboxylic acids. They are ready to lose the proton and also shows resonance effect. Next one is nothing but carbonic acid. It is easily ready to lose the two protons. Okay, carboxylic acids, carbonic acids, these two forms are more acidic in nature as compared to the phenol. After that water, after that alcohol, after that acetylene, C2H2, or we can say alkynes, CH triple bond CH. Okay, right. Here I want to show you one more important point for objective. Acidic nature or acidic strength, or simply we can say acidity, is always directly proportional to Ka. What is meant by Ka? Ka, equilibrium में पढ़ाई की है तुमने, acid dissociation constant. Strong acid, more dissociation constant. Weak acid, low dissociation constant. Means acidic strength is directly proportional to Ka, and also inversely proportional to P of Ka, power of acid dissociation constant. So try to be remember, इस point को maximum remember करने की कोशिश करो, because of based on this they are going to ask you the objective questions. Nana, ready? Right. So as the acidic strength goes to be increases, Ka values increases, but Ka is inversely proportional to P of Ka, because of, you know the formula, P of Ka equals to negative log of Ka. Okay, opposite में रहते signs. So strong acids they are having more Ka and less pKa. Weak acids they are having low Ka and more pKa, inversely proportional. So strong acid more Ka, weak acid less Ka. यहाँ पर रिवर्स में कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट फॉर यू ऑब्जेक्टिव स्पेशली. गुड. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई वांट टू डिस्कस विथ यू ना. दिस इज नथिंग बट ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ही होना पड़ेगा. सो क्या है वो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बोले तो, व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ क्रिसोल्स. Order of acidic nature of crisols. In crisols, what are the groups are there? Benzene connected to OH and CH3. But CH3 is electron donating groups, acidic nature decrease, reverse. Okay. So cresol contain more or phenol contain more? Yes, we have to be say that phenol contain more acidic nature as compared to the metacresol, as compared to the what nana? Yes sir. Paracresol, next as compared to the orthocresol. So phenol contain more acidic nature. Next one is metacresol. Next one is paracresol. Next one is orthocresols. Because of, just check out their pKa value. P of Ka. Phenol contain 9.98 and metacresol contain 10.08 and paracresol contain 10.92, 10.14 and next to orthocresol contain 10.28. See guys here 9.9, 10.08 and next one is nothing but 10.14, 10.28. Here pKa increases. pKa left to right increases. Left to right P of Ka increases. Means right to left P of Ka decreases. So this is less P of Ka. Less P of Ka means more acidic, inversely proportional. So phenol is more acidic. Next one is metacresol. Next one is paracresol. Next one is orthocresol. So this is the order of acidic nature, very important for objective. Next point, Nana, order of acidic nature of dihydric phenols. How many dihydric phenols are there? 3 dihydric phenols are there. Catechol, resacinol, quinol. All they are having 2,2-OH group, you know very well. So in the 3 which contain more acidic nature, A objective guarantee पढ़ाई किए तो ये आंसर लिख सकते हैं. So in that also same thing. So first of all metacresol, metadihydric phenol that contain more acidic nature. What is the metadihydric phenol name? This is called resacinol. Resacinol. And after that you are going to be considered that resacinol के बाद paradihydric phenol. This is the name is nothing but what beta? Phenol. And next one is nothing but orthodihydric. What is the name of orthodihydric? This is nothing but catechol. And finally we are going to be considered what nano phenol because it contain 1 OH, remaining they contain 2 OH. Guarantee acidic nature तो बढ़ता ही पड़ेगा, right? So resacinol is nothing but metadihydric phenol, phenol is nothing but paradihydric phenol, and catechol is nothing but orthodihydric phenol. MPO, here also MPO, but यहाँ पर phenol पहले आएगा because of what nana, no donating, no withdrawing, but यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा phenol 1 OH and all they are having 2 OH. So but especially meta is nothing but what nana, more stable due to less repulsions. Okay, right. Next question, acidic nature of I want to say that nitrophenols. Acidic nature of what beta? Nitrophenols. Nitro is powerful electron withdrawing group. Reverse withdrawing acidic nature goes to be increased in the para form is more stable. So we have to be say that para nitrophenol greater than next one. Yes, we have to be say that is MPO orthonitrophenol greater than. Meta form is unstable, so metanitrophenol greater than. Next one is nothing but simply we have to say that phenol. Okay, so paranitro and orthonitro both are major, but why ortho contain less? Orthonitrophenol is less acidic than para because of it forms the intramolecular hydrogen bond. Which bond? Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Try to be remember. Next, go for continue. Acidic nature of chlorophenols or bromophenols, as you wish. Any halophenol you can consider. Nana. Acidic nature of chlorophenols. Okay, chlorine is nothing but electron withdrawing group. So definitely again यहाँ पर भी yes we have to be considered that chlorine is electron withdrawing but weakly electron withdrawing group. So here I am going to write the answer is nothing but yes orthochlorophenol greater than. Next one metachlorophenol greater than. Next one is nothing but parachlorophenol. And finally we have to say that phenols. Okay, is orthochloro because of in orthochlorophenol what is the structure? Benzene bonded to OH. Ortho plus Cl. So electron withdrawing group at ortho means it is nearby the substitute, means Cl contain more withdrawing nature. Due to more withdrawing nature at ortho, it is ready to lose the proton. So more acidic is orthochlorophenol. Okay, right. So next one is nothing but one small question I want to ask you. Orthochlorophenol, orthobromophenol, orthoiodophenol, orthofluorophenol. In that which may be more acidic? So the answer is nothing but acidic nature order. benzene bonded to OH, orthochlorophenol. Next benzene bonded to OH, this is nothing but what? Orthobromophene. Next one is nothing but benzene bonded to OH, this is nothing but orthoiodophenol. And benzene bonded to what beta is here OH, and this is nothing but parafluorophenol, orthofluorophenol. Okay, orthochlorophenol, orthobromophene, orthoiodophenol, orthofluorophenol. So in that 4, which is strongest electron withdrawing group? Fluorine. Means it should contain more acidic nature, but I am saying this is nothing but weaker acid. Sir, why orthofluorophenol is weaker acid? Because of here it goes to form the hydrogen bond, more electronegative fluorine, and hydrogen contain partial positive. It forms intramolecular hydrogen bond due to formation of intramolecular hydrogen bond. Due to formation of intramolecular hydrogen bond, it is not ready to lose the proton, means it contains less acidic nature, and orthochlorophenol, it is more acidic in nature. So this is the order of acidic nature of orthohalophenols. Which orthohalophenol is more acidic? Orthochlorophenol. Which orthohalophenol is less acidic? Orthofluorophenol. Due to reason, it forms a strong intramolecular hydrogen bond. It is not ready to donate the H+. Okay. Last and final question, beta. Arrange the following compounds. They will ask you in theory cum objective, important question. Arrange the following compounds in their increasing order of acidic nature, like that they are going to ask you. So मैं आपको यहाँ पर directly answer ही बता देता हूँ आपको. Order of acidic nature, I am going to show you directly acidic nature order. First of all, they are going to give you the product is nothing but picric acid, you know very well. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Benzene connected to OH. Ortho place, second place nitro group, fourth place nitro group, sixth place nitro group, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. What is the name of this compound, beta? The name of this compound is nothing but picric acid. Yes, I am going to write here another compound. Benzene bonded to OH, ortho place NO2 and para place NO2. Again I am going to consider another compound. Benzene bonded to OH, only para place now NO2. Next I am going to consider another compound, beta. Simply I am going to consider here phenol. मैं यहाँ पर और एक compound ले रहा हूँ. Again same thing. First suppose what ना benzene bonded to what? OH, but para place the group is nothing but CH3. See guys clearly. Yes, here I have taken the compound is nothing but phenol. Here upon phenol what is the group is there? CH3. CH3 is nothing but electron donating group. Next nitro, all they are electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing like this. And up to now so many times I told you, again final touch. In case of electron withdrawing groups, see the sign, electron withdrawing, acidic nature increases. So these are having more acidic nature. Phenol, neither acidic nor neither donating nor withdrawing group. यहाँ पर phenol contains CH3, electron donating group. See the sign again, electron donating group, acidic nature decreases. So this is less acidic nana. यहाँ पर 1 withdrawing, 2 withdrawing, 3 withdrawing. As the electron withdrawing groups increases, again acidic nature goes to be increased. So यहाँ पर 3 electron withdrawing, more acidic, 2 electron withdrawing, okay, again acidic, 1 electron withdrawing, acidic. यहाँ पर neither withdrawing nor donating, simply, but यहाँ पर what ना donating. In case of donating, acidic nature goes to be decreases. Okay. So 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, or we can say picric acid. It is more acidic in nature. After that 2, 4 dinitrophenol. After that 4 nitrophenol. After that, so पहले withdrawing को cover करना पड़ेगा. In case of withdrawing groups, acidic nature goes to be, in case of withdrawing groups, acidic nature goes to be increase, but in case of donating, acidic nature goes to be decrease. So सारे withdrawing group को पहले cover करना and donating group को last में cover करना. बीच में क्या लिखना? Neutral compound. This is nothing but phenol. Neutral means not neutral in nature, acidic in nature, but it neither contain donating nor contain withdrawing group. Okay. 1 withdrawing, 2 withdrawing, 3 withdrawing. As the withdrawing nature increases, acidic nature increases. As the donating nature increases, acidic nature decreases. Last में लिखना, बीच में phenol. Okay, na beta. This is the story completely about the theory come objective, all the application point of view and theory point of view, asset nature information I have covered here. Very important topic. Don't neglect, Nana. Write their notes clearly and try to make practice. Infinity questions will be come beta. Okay.